Holly McKhann in Capistrano Beach, Dana Point, on this gorgeous oceanfront luxury home listing. As you can see, this large home is 5,300 square feet with an 8,800 square foot lot featuring 5 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms. Let's go inside and take a look at all the amazing features. As you come in from the deck, you are immediately in this luxurious living room with expansive tall ceilings, lots of windows that really let you take in the ocean view from multiple vantage points. It's also a little bit lower than the kitchen and dining room, so that those rooms get an elevated ocean view, and this one's lower and it's terraced to really take advantage of that. You've got a cozy fireplace and a place for a TV, but really the main attraction in this home is just enjoying the ocean view. This home was thoughtfully designed by renowned architect Ted Wells. I'm just amazed at all of the details that were customized specifically to not only take advantage of the ocean view, but to maximize all of the storage. One of the things that's really special is all of this custom glass cabinetry that you can display things that you want to display, and it's also so practical. Let's go take a look at this cabinet too. You've got additional storage where they display some beautiful decorator items, and the other thing in this dining room is a wet bar. The wet bar has storage and an ice maker, so you are ready for a party at any time. The kitchen is both beautiful and practical and well designed for large gatherings. You've got a little wine cooler here, and there's a larger one I'm going to show you later. 2 Miele dishwashers, stainless steel sink, and of course, when you're doing dishes, you get to see the ocean at the same time. It's completely open to the dining room. Over here, you've got a commercial grade range with 6 burners and the griddle and the grill. Top of the line, commercial grade. Also a warming drawer right here to hold food warm for those big parties. A secondary vegetable sink, lots of storage with the glass cabinets up above, and even these kind of unique looking drawers with the little finger holes. Just something that looks different, so it's got a design element to it, but very practical. And a microwave here hidden in the corner, and of course, huge Sub-Zero fridge and freezer. In the hallway off the kitchen, you've got these huge doors that open to reveal the perfect little workspace. If you've got work to do, what better enjoyable work environment can you imagine than sitting here and seeing and hearing and feeling and smelling and tasting the ocean while you work? Once again, the architect put so much thought into the detail and design of this primary suite. The bed is elevated about 12 inches, and the way the bed wall is angled, it gives you a perfect view of Dana Point and Dana Point Harbor. The windows also have been carefully crafted to showcase the view. One of the things I love is what we call a triple track slider that completely opens, giving you a wide expanse to once again see and hear the ocean to the fullest. The balcony deck that's part of the primary suite is so deep, plenty of room for a lounge chair to face the ocean, and you get to see this beautiful palm tree in your view. You can easily see Dana Point once again and all the way down to San Clemente Pier. This bathroom is truly amazing. You've got, for starters, a very deep jetted tub to enjoy a spa-like experience. The architect was very clever and thoughtful in how he had this part of the wall open so you can see the ocean right while you're getting ready for your day. There's a towel warmer and also two very large vanities. So you've got lots of space to spread out for all of the things that you do in the bathroom to get ready for your day. The shower is pretty amazing too. Behind this large walk-in shower, there is also a stone steam room. So if you like a steam, there you go. There's also a cedar-lined sauna. Let's go check it out. This walk-in closet is fit for royalty. It is so large and has really beautiful fixtures. Really, all the room you could ever want. As you exit the primary suite, you find yourself in this casual seating area. You could also use it as an office or just wherever you want to relax. The home, once again, great intentional design with so much natural light. You've got windows floor to ceiling and even some skylights that let so much natural light in and make it feel light and bright. Many staircases feel like dark and oppressive, but this one is so light and bright, and with the gorgeous wood treatment on the wall, it is the beautiful center of the home. This is one of the secondary bedrooms that also has gorgeous ocean views from it and beautifully appointed design features. The suite features a large skylight over the vanity area, bringing in natural light, once again making it feel open and inviting. You've got a large walk-in closet with built-in features and a private room with the toilet and shower. Across the hall from that first bedroom is an identical junior suite. Features all the same architecture, windows, and ocean views. On the lower level, there are two additional suites, also with ensuite bathrooms and beautiful windows with lots of natural light. When you have laundry, you've got a big space to do it. The homeowner told me this is her favorite room in the house because she's got plenty of room to do the laundry and fold it all. One of the defining special features of this home is it's got extra space between it and the next lot, an extra 12 feet to be exact. So you've got some really nice landscaping to enjoy. Let's go out to the sand next. On the sand in front of your home, you can enjoy going into the ocean, watching the dolphins as they swim by. Sailboats can come by pretty close too. And you're right between San Clemente Pier and Dana Point Harbor. Such a gorgeous atmosphere. There's not a lot of people that walk back and forth on this stretch of beach because you are in a 24-hour guard-gated community. Even though the beach is not technically private, you don't have a lot of people walking back and forth in front of your home, so it feels pretty private. And of course, you get to enjoy all that Dana Point and San Clemente have to offer. We have gorgeous golf courses, world-class resorts, surfing, jet skiing, sailboating, any kind of water sports you could enjoy. And of course, the dining is incredible. So make your appointment to come see this home today. Contact me at the information below.